Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you use because and because of. What is the difference? How to use them? Because and because of are the same as we use them to say why, but our word order and our sentence structure and how we put it together in a sentence is quite different. So we're going to have a look at the two. Because first is a conjunction. Following this conjunction, we must have a sentence with actions, with verbs. When we use because of, you can see because of is a preposition, and generally prepositions are followed by a noun or a noun group. So let's have a look. We have a very simple sentence. We got very wet. So when we use because, the action that made this happen, because it was raining heavily. When we use because of, here's an example of our noun group, because of the heavy rain. So there's no verb here. It is the noun group, the name of the thing that made this happen. Another example, we were very late. We use because. Why we were late? Because my brother wouldn't get out of bed. Using because of my brother. This is okay, but it's missing some of the details. The meaning is a little bit different. So we can use a gerund form. A gerund is a noun. So ing. Because of my brother not getting out of bed. Another example, she found the exam easy because why? She had worked hard during the semester because of her hard work during the semester. So if we quickly just highlight for you, because we've got to have actions to follow. Here's our action. Was raining, wouldn't get out, had worked hard, had worked. There's our verbs. The sentence to follow must have verbs and actions in them. When we see our because of, we're looking at these nouns or noun groups. There's no verb here. The heavy rain. My brother not getting out of bed. Noun groups. Her hard work. So remember, when you're using because of, it has to have a noun group, the name of the thing that made this happen. Whereas because, we say the action. Also, we can start our sentences with these. So you can see because it was raining heavily, comma, we got very wet. So it's the same sentence, we've just changed the order. But when we start with them, we must have a comma between the two clauses. Also, because of can be used the same way. Again, you'll see the order has changed, but we have that comma in between our two clauses. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.